Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Coco and today I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed these Yanky crochet twists from Youngther Hair. This install came out so beautiful. As you can see, you can do so many hairstyles with this crochet style, and I really feel like crochet is in style right now. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then make sure to subscribe and keep on watching. So they sent me over 6 packs of their 12-inch Yanky twist crochet hair. I also received it in this ombre black to brown color. Honestly, I was a little bit hesitant about this color, but it turned out so beautiful. I think it looks so good and it matches with my skin tone perfectly. Right here, I'm just showing you guys everything that comes with the hair. I really like that they make sure that you have everything that you need to complete this install. Coming straight out of the packaging, the hair is super bouncy. That's one of my favorite things I love about this hair. You can tell that it's a good quality crochet twist hair. This is a beautiful ombre color, and this is actually a color that I probably wouldn't have chose, but I actually really do love this color. Like, it looks so good against my skin tone. Okay, this is my braid down. Mind you guys, I am not a professional when it comes to doing cornrows, so all you need to do is make sure that your hair is just plaited down. It really doesn't matter what it looks like underneath. I did small braids in the front, and then I did about 4 braids in the back, and I literally just connected it all and crocheted it together. As long as your base is sturdy, like your braids, it really doesn't matter how it looks underneath. Right here, I'm just showing you guys a single twist and how you can find the loops that's at the top, and I'm going to go ahead and begin to crochet. Crocheting this hair in is super easy. It is time consuming because there's so many pieces that you have to crochet and fill in. It did take me about 2 hours to do this, but it's way faster than individually twisting your hair. I just found this method to be a little bit faster. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and loop that through and go ahead and create a knot. When it comes to spacing your twist, I kind of do like probably like half an inch apart, and then especially in the front, I did ended up going back and filling in those gaps that I thought you could see. But yeah, this is basically just repeating the process over and over. Crocheting, you just stick your needle through, open the latch, place the hair on top, and then close the latch, pull it through, and then create a little loop. And I only knot it like one time, and it's literally so secure. Since this hair is on the kinkier side, it's not really gonna unravel that fast. So this was what my hair was looking like after I used one pack, and so I'm starting on the second pack of hair. As you guys can see, there is a lot of twists that come within each pack, so I ended up using 5 packs because I wanted my hair to be extremely full. But yeah, 6 packs is more than enough for your head.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough.
So this is what my hair is looking like after I did 2 packs, and as you guys can see, it got me halfway through. It's looking so good right now. I just love how bouncy and soft this hair is. And by the way, it's extremely lightweight. Like, it literally feels like I have nothing on my head.
In your eyes, I got you when you're falling. Just know that I won't be here for long. Thinking of you all day, yeah. Running around in my head, all or nothing. 'Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Gotta crush on you. I just wanna be your only.
So I wanted to show you guys how I do the back of my head. Basically, you're just going to do a bunch of filling around and seeing where you need to place the next piece at. And you can also get a mirror and like casually just check the back of your head to see if you see any gaps. But yeah, I basically just fill around to see if I feel the braid. You want to make sure that you cover your braids completely. Okay, so I'm all done installing the twist, and I'm just double checking, moving it around to make sure everything is covered in the back. But y'all, I am loving this hair. Like, it literally looks like curly hair. Like, it doesn't even really look like twist. That's the kind of look I like right now. So you can definitely just leave your hair like this, but I actually wanted to kind of just shape it a little bit. So I just kind of cut it and kind of cut some pieces to kind of give like that roundish shape that I wanted, almost mimicking how my hair is when it's like stretched out. I didn't want to cut too much, but I've seen people even cut their hair shorter, but this is kind of like the length that I went with. But yes, guys, this hair is from Youngther Hair again. They actually have an Amazon store that you guys can check out, so I'll make sure to have all of the links down below. They have different colors, different styles that you could do, so definitely go onto Amazon and check them out and let them know that I sent you over to them. But yeah, make sure to check the description box for all the info on this hair. Again, thank you Youngther Hair for sending me over this hair for me to do a review. This is a beautiful style, so cute and lovely. Yeah, make sure you guys go check them out, and without further ado, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.